Please click on the thumbs up button and the subscribe button if you enjoyed my vlog. Bye for now.
Hi everybody, this is John from Old John's Vlogs. I'm assuming that you may have seen my January, February and March vlogs of the garden, but we're now on April, and I thought I'd show you how the borders have filled up, and of course since last time we've got the tulips out. Now the tulips are closed, as you can see, and they're still between like a bud and a flower form, but as the days go on, and I have filled them later, they come up really nice. Plenty of foliage, as I've said. There's one or two things in there that I'm not quite sure about off the cuff, but we've had more tulips this year than we've had for a few years, and I think it's possibly because I've had to take a lot of the daffodils out. The daffodils were choking and not growing, and they weren't getting anything back into their bulbs. But plenty of blossom out. What we got here is that Erica, I believe. Yes, Erica. That's been out now ages, and the bees have found this very attractive. I should quickly mention that last year we had a masonry bee drill a hole in one of the bricks and then seal the grub up, and the grub's still in there. It's not been opened yet, so I'll try and keep an eye on that one for you to show you that one. Sorry about the film moving up and down there. Here we are. Look, the poppies, the tulips coming out, and you can see, look, that a lot of the daffodils have already died off. Why this film is as it is, I have no idea. But that blossom, by the way, is off a fruit tree. That's a fruit tree. I think this is lemon balm. It smells beautiful when you touch it. And I've just filmed this to show you that back in the beginning of the year that was frozen. Behind the bins is honeysuckle. I usually cut it, but there's a couple of nests in there now. This one shows the blossom on the tree. It doesn't get all of the blossom. That's actually white at the moment. The camera just won't pick it up, and I have to go to different angles to try and get it. The best one is to in the morning when the sun's in the east and it shows up on it. Now the background sound you can hear is the microphone's very sensitive, not very strong but sensitive, and it's picking up the flapping of the lens cap. But I just thought I'd leave it in this occasion. And so here we have, just to prove that I was saying about the tulips. They're opening up now, and there's lots of them. And they look very nice. And this is before I cut the grass, by the way. Here we can see the frog fountain, and unfortunately it's not working. Just a bit more of the blossom and the flowers in the garden. I think we're about midway in April now at the moment, and you can see that all the tulips are wide open. They keep closing and opening with the sun, and when the sun goes in as well. Well, I've tried on several occasions to get this blossom. I think I've achieved it today, and this is with the sun low on in the morning coming up from the east. But I've tried several times to get that blossom because it's so beautiful, and it doesn't last long, about a fortnight tops, I would say. So just to prove that I have tried to get these shots at different times of the day, you can hear the bells from the church in the background there. Sounds beautiful when the wind's blowing in my direction. And there'll be more about that, the bells, later. There's been a lot of activity from the church, from people, the campanologists practicing the bells, and often it's in the evening, but on this occasion it was in the daytime, and you'll find out why later.